Welcome to the Mountain Prairie Homestead. We got 30 centimeters of snow last night and it's still coming down. We should have 45 centimeters by the end of the day today. And we're just gonna do a midday animal check-in. I don't know if it's gonna get through this. We need to get a toboggan.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need a sled. Hi guys.
So they got their grain and their bee pulp already today. They don't really eat much hay, but they love playing in it. And because there's not too much for them to root up right now, I've been giving them a flake of hay every day just to keep them occupied.
It's a fun activity.
A little wobbly.
So we should probably shovel this out so you don't have to hop over the gate. Wow, so we got a foot of snow here. The heated water dish appears to still be working. Well, it's good that this is still working. This is our only exterior faucet that is still operating in the winter. It is a frost-free faucet. It has heat trace on the inside additionally, as well as it's inside of a heated building.
The lowest we've gone to at night is minus 20.
Yeah, 22 actually earlier this week.
So,
and
it still worked in the morning, so.
But we'll see if that can keep up when it gets to minus 30, minus 40 come February.
Come on, piggies.
To the sheep now. Yeah, we should definitely get some sort of a sled. Hey guys. Hey guys. This is pretty cozy. Get it back up.
So we've had the sheep for what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, this is our second full week, end of the second full week.
And they're getting more friendly every day. If the snow is landing on top of them, like you can see that sheep there, and not melting, and it means they're not losing any of their body heat. It's the same when you see horses out in the winter without blankets on. As long as that snow is actually staying on their back, They are perfectly fine to be outside without blankets.
Sheep are ruminant. They're part of their way of producing heat is through the process of digestion. So by constantly eating or grazing, they're able to maintain their body heat. So long as they have a healthy supply of hay, they'll be happy and warm.
So there was barely any snow yesterday and the chickens wanted no part in coming outside. This morning I offered them the chance. They didn't want to come out, but we'll see if they want to now.
Afternoon, ladies. Huh?
Oh, we forgot the
Oh, we
wheelbarrow.
should tell them. So we put
You
a
can say
trail cam inside of the kitty shed here, and we actually picked up the fact that we have not 3 but 4 cats. There's a grayish black, what I think is a male cat that seems to be lurking around in the evenings. So we're gonna have to see if we can catch him. Otherwise, we're gonna end up with far too many kittens
A lot of kittens.
because we have 3 females and 2 kittens already. Grab a snow brush out of the garage here. Little bit of snow on it. Will she start? Yes. I'd already brushed this one off once. So tonight's gonna be one of the first nights that we're getting below negative 22. I think with the wind chill, we're looking at negative 26 degrees Celsius. So what I'm doing right now is we're not actually going anywhere. I just wanted to warm up the trucks, get the snow off of them. I'm gonna spin them both around so that the engines are facing the garage. I have an outlet out front here, so I'm gonna plug both of the trucks in. That way, come Monday morning when I gotta go to work, no matter what truck I take or what Niella takes, both the trucks should start easy. Nice. Watch yourself. So in the newer trucks, they have, at least the GMs have a proprietary plug end, which is somewhere on the truck.